Foghlaim Gaeilge, learn Irish. Ceacht a fiche, lesson 20. On bríthair, the verb to be. On aimsir gná lárach, the present habitual tense. Tá mé means I am when the situation implies a temporary or one-off event. Bím means I am or I do be generally or usually. It means I am doing something on a regular basis, i.e. habitually. So this tense is called the habitual present tense. Bím, I do be or I am. Bíonn tú, you do be or you are. Bíonn sé, he does be or he is. Bíonn she, she does be or she is. Bíomid, we do be or we are. Bíonn sibh, you do be or you are, plural. Bíonn siad, they do be or they are. Bítear, one does be or one is. Ní bhíom, I don't be. Ní bhíonn tú, you don't be. Ní bhíonn sé, he doesn't be or he isn't. Ní bhíonn she doesn't be. Ní bhíomid, we don't be or we are not. Ní bhíonn sibh, you don't be. Ní bhíonn siad, they don't be. Ní bhítear, one doesn't be or one is not. On mím, do I be or am I usually? On míonn tú, do you be? On míonn sé, does he be or is he? On míonn she, does she be? On míomid, do we be? On míonn sibh, do you be? Plural. On míonn siad, do they be or are they? On mítear, does one be or is one? Nach mím, do I not be? Nach míonn tú, do you not be? Nach míonn sé, does he not be or is he not? Nach míonn she, does she not be? Nach míomid, do we not be? Nach míonn sibh, do you not be or are you not? Nach míonn siad, do they not be? Nach mítear, does one not be or is one not? Assemblery. Examples. Bíonn an ghrian sa spéir gach lá. The sun is in the sky every day. Ní bhíonn an gallach in eice gach oíche. The moon is not visible every night. Cá minic a bhíonn an Gaelfhear mal ar scoil. How often is the boy late for school? Nach mian an nasir nach mór fantasach. Isn't the Grand National fantastic? An sé a bhíonn mal chalinn sé an bad. The person who is late misses the boat. On mian an taithach fuair sa saoru. Isn't the Arctic cold in the summer? Nach mian taishtí glórach. Aren't children noisy? Bíonn trumach san Afraic minic go leor. Africa has drought quite often. Ní mar a híoltar bítear. Things aren't what they seem. On mian sé iontach sé sa Gréig. Is it extremely hot in Greece? Nach mian a scanon spragul. Aren't his films exciting? Sin deire le ceacht a fiche. That's the end of lesson 20. Tug go bóg take it easy. Slán go fáil. Bye for now. Foghlaim Gaeilge Gaeilge. Learn Irish with Gaelfhear.